Hello everyone! We're making a salad. This is a Russian salad. It's called Olivier. I guess it's called it's called Olivier.
Yeah.
Olivier salad. But in English it's probably Oliver salad. We're making this type of bowl. So we will need a few potatoes. So I have 4 potatoes, 3 carrots. We'll have to use about 4 or 5 eggs. So the first step is to peel potatoes and boil them with carrots, and then take 4 or 5 eggs and boil them until they're cooked. So that's step 1. Let's do that. Okay, potatoes and carrots are boiling, and so are eggs. Step 2, we have here boneless smoked ham. We're just gonna cut it in small pieces. So I'm using about 350 grams of ham, and I'm just cutting them into these cubes. Next, we're gonna cut a little bit of dill and green onions. So I have this much. Okay, so we're now cutting eggs. We're cutting it in this like a cube type of shape. Next, we add some pickles. Pull out 8 here. Add it to the salad. We also have peas. This is just a can of peas. You drain the water and add the whole can. Now we add mayonnaise. We're gonna add about 200 grams. Now we're gonna pepper. This is black pepper. Some salt. And salt. And now we mix it all together. And there you have it. That's the salad, Russian salad, Olivier salad, very delicious, very nutritious. Happy New Year.